Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Let's begin by gathering the essential tools you'll need for this repair. You will require a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a multimeter for testing electrical connections, and some isopropyl alcohol for cleaning. Ensure you have a clean workspace to avoid losing any small components. Start by unplugging the Dyson HP09 and allowing it to cool down if it has been recently used. This is crucial for your safety. Once it's cool, locate the screws on the base of the unit. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove these screws and keep them in a small container to avoid losing them. After removing the screws, gently lift the cover to expose the internal components. This is where you'll find the Wi-Fi board. Inspect the board for any visible signs of damage such as burnt areas or loose connections. If everything looks okay, the next step is to test the board using your multimeter. Set the multimeter to continuity mode and check the connections on the Wi-Fi board to ensure they are functioning properly. If you find any issues during your testing, it may be time to replace the Wi-Fi board. If you're unsure about the diagnosis, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. You can send your Dyson to us for a thorough checkup, and we'll provide you with a detailed report on any issues found. Once you've identified the problem, it's time to clean the area around the Wi-Fi board. Use a soft brush and some isopropyl alcohol to remove any dust or debris that may be affecting the board's performance. This step is often overlooked but can significantly improve the device's functionality. Next, if you need to replace the Wi-Fi board, carefully disconnect the old board from its connectors. Pay attention to the arrangement of wires and connectors, as you'll need to replicate this setup with the new board. If you don't have the tools or experience to do this yourself, remember we provide pickup and delivery at your home. This means you won't have to worry about transporting your device anywhere. Once the old board is removed, install the new Wi-Fi board by reversing the disconnection process. Ensure all connectors are securely fastened and that there are no loose wires. After installation, double-check the connections again. If you'd like, we can offer a quote before repair if you decide to send the unit to us. Now, it's time to reassemble the Dyson HP09. Place the cover back onto the unit and secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Make sure everything is tightly fastened to prevent any rattling or movement during operation. Finally, plug in the device and power it on to see if the Wi-Fi issue has been resolved. If you encounter any further problems, don't hesitate to reach out for additional support or consider taking advantage of our services. With no calls and no travel necessary, we aim to make the repair process as seamless as possible for you. Thank you for following along, and we hope this guide has been helpful in resolving your Dyson HP09 Wi-Fi board issues. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.